So, Daryl, it is good to see you. I'm glad you made the right decision. Thank you, Sam. I really appreciate your help. I am happy to be here. I am excited. And you should be. You have made the decision to change your life, and that is excellent. Tell me, have you brought the money I told you to bring? It is important. Yes, I have. You told me it was $1,000. I have it here. I thought we were gonna meet in your house. By the way, where do you live? Is it near here? No, I don't live near here. But it is not important. This is my office. Do you like it? Yes, it is nice. But one of my friends had a meeting here too, some months ago. But he talked to another person, Reeves. Yeah, I think that's his name. Do you know him? Reeves. Oh, sure. He's one of my friends. He also works here. I mean, we rent this office together, and we usually have our meetings here. We are partners. Partners? But my friend told me Reeves is not in the country anymore. My friend deposited his money, and so far he has not heard from Reeves. I don't understand how it works. Oh, did I say partner? No, no, he used to work here, but he traveled. I don't know where he is. Why don't we start with the presentation? I am sure you want to know about this business. Oh, yes, I am really interested. I want to change my life. Is that possible? Of course, it's possible. You already watched our first presentation. Don't you remember? Yes, I know. I love that because I saw many people traveled. I love traveling, but I can't do it because I don't have enough money for that. That's the thing. Especially Dubai. One of my dreams is to know that beautiful place. I hope I can get it. That's correct. It is possible to travel to the most beautiful places in the world. You can change your life by joining our community. You can be one of our partners. We're part of one of the biggest international companies in the world, TRX 666. Well, just for you to remember, we don't accept just anyone. We need special people. Normally, we only extend the invitation to people with ambition, with a hunger for glory. You are sure to hear many negative comments about our company being a scam. Yeah, some people told me that. I mean, I talked to my brother and he told me it is not a good decision. Really? Your brother? Tell me, what does your brother do for a living? He works in a heavy machinery maintenance company. He works full day and he's not a rich person, right? I suppose he works 8 hours a day. Yes, he starts working at 8 in the morning and finishes at 5 in the afternoon or so. And no, he's not rich. I don't think he has much money, to be honest. He has a family. You see? These people who are enslaved to a full time job don't understand. They get up early and go to work at the same time and always earn the same amount of money. They will never understand the entrepreneurial spirit that we have. Because it is true. Today you can be your own boss and stop working for others. That would be fantastic because now I work 10 hours a day. It's really tiring. And when I heard one of my friends talking about this company, I was really interested. I want to be part of this. I want to be my own boss. What do I have to do so that can happen? Excellent. Well, it's simple. You just need to join this company. Let me tell you a little about TRX 666 Company. It is the best company in the world. And so you have more confidence. The main office is located in Silicon Valley. If you don't know what Silicon Valley is, it is the cradle of entrepreneurs, of money, people who make millions of dollars live and work there. Our CEO works in Silicon Valley. Yes, I have heard that. That sounds really interesting. What else? Well, we are the number one company in the creation and manufacturing of natural products. We're not a company that sells products. We are an organization that changes lives. We change the lives of people around the world by making their lives much healthier. And these are not just words. We have many testimonies from people around the world. People who have cured their illnesses and have considerably improved their lifestyle. So the only thing you have to do is sell our products. We have the best natural products. For example, if you sell a bag of natural coffee for $300, your profit will be $200. Nobody offers you that profit margin in any company. Believe me. And now you will tell me, what happens if I can't sell the products? I won't make money? That's the best part. You can also earn money by bringing more people and making them join this company. And you don't have to invest money for that. Just your time to convince more people to change their lives. If you bring 3 more people, you will have $100. And if you bring 10 people, you will have $500. And if you bring 100 people, you could win an all paid trip to Dubai. Just think about this. Just as you were encouraged to change your life, how many people wouldn't want the same? It is very easy to get 100 people. So now I need you to give me the $1,000, please. Give me. But just to make sure, I want to know what people think about it. What do you say, guys? Oh, it's not necessary. They will never understand. Just give me the money. Yeah, I have the money here. What do you say, guys? I want to be a millionaire. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.